Let's learn the letter S. Start with a small curve at the top, then another curve below. S is for sun. S. On a sunny day, Sana and Sarah saw sunflowers and strawberry plants in their garden. Their sparrow was fluttering around. What do you like to do on a sunny day?
Snake in the sun slithers along, strawberry sweet, nature's song. Star, star, star. Slide, slide, slide. Snake, snake, snake. Slithers, slithers, slithers. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Song, song, song. Sun, sun. S,